up.
Let her. Do you need a piece of paper though?
It's not even back here.
Is it under the thing? Oh shoot.
The mouse is
What
John.
if it went in that purse? No.
Also, it's a mouse. So let's be thankful for a rat.
I don't want it to get out. I saw it.
What? I don't want it over here.
It went under the couch.
Yeah. Oh my god. It might be downstairs.
God, don't kill it. Just let it out, Bethany. Do not kill it.
No, why would we kill it? I'm gonna pee my pants. This is more exciting than you.
Oh god, I'm so scared now.
You see about
What did you do with that clothes?
Yeah, RJ, what are your feet in that?
Can I get down there?
Yeah, there's popcorn. You can lure it out with popcorn.
It was more scared of us than we were of it. That thing was terrified. Am I Sam?
What?
Can I put my foot down?
Wait, just wait. Oh, just see it.
It's such a long time coming.
This reminds me of the time when she's the man, where they're on the bed, and they're like,
Oh yeah.
"Who's this one? You're the man! What? I mean, you're the bigger man!" Oh yeah. I like that part.
That's their house. And then their bed is hanging.
We're all like afraid to
We
go
are.
down.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Oh, shut up.
Maybe it went downstairs.
I think it did because
Either way.
I don't see it.
Probably not a demon, a demon.
There's not a demon in my house, Ben.
Demons are uncanny.
Ooh, I just got the chills.
I'm really scared to walk around.
Me too.
It was tiny. It wasn't
Either
even
way,
like a
I
big
don't
deal.
care.
Disgusting.